Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I will bring you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopping block today, we got a lockdown quarantine meal. And today we're going to be making that's right, Cracker Barrel. As you can see that right there. Some Cracker Barrel right there. Macaroni and cheese, followed by some fried pork chops and some broccoli. Alright, and the link will be down there for this, for the pork chop. I have a video on how to make that. That's what's in this bag. Alright, and I'm just going to simply take this and put this in this bowl and microwave that for about about 3 minutes. I can open it up. Easy quarantine meal. Just gonna pour that up in there like that. It's already got ice and all that stuff in it. We don't need to put no water in it. That's enough for about 3 people. We're gonna put us a little lemon juice in here. Just a little lemon juice. And don't get it twisted, because I do have a real lemon. I keep real lemons. I can show you that right now. See what I'm saying? I keep the lemons on deck all the time. 1 to 2. So go get yours today. Alright? I'm just playing with you guys. We're gonna put a little garlic salt in it. Just like that. It's like a quarter, I believe. Put us a little butter in it. So this about a teaspoon of butter. We use the rest of that for the mac. Alright, that's all we're going to do with this for now. My son said, "You going to put some cheese in that?" I'm like, "Dude, we're going to put some cheese in there, folks." And we got mac and cheese go with it. If you want to put some in yours, then go right ahead, young man. Alright, so this is secure. We're going to do this like when this close to getting done. Alright, see you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Only reason I came back right now is because I may have get some new subscribers or something like that. And a lot of you guys already know I like to marinate my pork chops in some mustard. Add tons of flavor to it. So all we're going to do is just put this in the bag, one at a time, and shake it up. Just like that. And then when we get done doing that, we're just going to let it rest in the bag for about a good 5 to 10 minutes. And then wait till the thing heat up. Okay guys? So that you know. And if you guys new here, consider subscribing to the channel. I work diligently to bring you guys some good recipes like no other. Promise you that. So, yep, this is all we're doing, one at a time. We don't want to overcrowd the bag. So guys, this is the new camera. What you guys think about this one? This is the M50, Canon M50. I have a microphone attached to it as well. And this is all we doing. Trying to make sure the videos get a little clearer for you guys. You guys deserve it. I mean that for real, for real. You guys been on my team from day one. And remember, if you guys donate to me, just know it's for the channel. It's not for my own personal use. So I use this money to buy the food to bring you guys these recipes. The link is down below. I believe it's Dogg's Kitchen Cash App. So if you want to donate, you can. If you don't, that's okay too. We're going to still try to work with it. Alright guys, So see that? Well coated. We're just gonna let this sit for about a good 5-10 minutes. Shake it up again before we drop it. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. My water is boiling profusely. So I'm gonna look in this cabinet, excuse me. I don't mean to be in your way. Get some of this coarse sea salt. That's what I'm gonna use right here. Alright. I'm gonna still have to figure this camera out because it's supposed to automatic adjust. Alright, so I'm just gonna pour some of that in there, not a lot because it goes a long ways. This is for our mac. I like that. We gotta drain it eventually. Put this on there right now. And put these shells in here to cook to like 11 to 12 minutes. You want it al dente. It's my first time using this, so we're gonna find out what's up. Comment down below if you guys ever used this type of brand before, this Cracker Barrel. Okay? Alright. Alright, I got my deep fryer right here going. Let me see if I can come over this way with it. Bring this up some. So that's going over there. See where we at over here. It's not hot yet. It's at 275 so far. We got to get it down to 350. It's right here. When that happens, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. This is should be where it needs to be at. Yep. So I'm opening this up. Drop that basket. We got 3 minutes left on the mat. Drop this basket. Reason why I don't put mine in there like that now because it tends to stick to the bottom of the pan. The basket. Right? We're just gonna shake this up again, y'all. Like that. See how the breading on there? And we're just gonna drop. I'm gonna grab mine by the bone side. Like that. I'm about to make some air fried pork chops one day. Like that, guys. And that's a wrap on that. We got 2 minutes left on the mat. Wash my hands up. Keep your hands washed. Quarantine or not, always keep your hand washed. So we're good with that over there. We're gonna turn you guys over here. Bring you guys down. Alright. So, got a minute left. I'm gonna go ahead and pour mine now. Put this lid on it. See, I can drain mine in here. See these holes? And then we're just gonna drain it. We're gonna turn this off. Alright, I'm gonna slide this over here because I don't want my stuff to stick. Put this butter in there. This the other tablespoon. This is unsalted butter. I may even put a pinch of sugar in it. I doubt it. I just need to see how this tastes first before I get to messing, maneuvering, and doing extra stuff. You don't want to be salty, do you? So we're gonna open up this pack. Let me get my little knife out. Just like that. Alright. We're just gonna squeeze this in here. Like that. Well, hell, it just fell out, didn't it? Alright. Guys, we're just trying to have some fun while we're on this lockdown. Let me turn this thing off. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. That is that and that. Stir this stuff a little bit in here. I'm gonna add a little milk to mine. I like mine a little cream. Alright, let me just splash it. Just like that. Now, I do have a recipe on mac and cheese. You guys can go follow that if you want to. It's off the chain. Trust me when I tell you. So, just trying to fold this in pretty much. I don't like to rip the noodles up. Just like that. Folding it, guys. See that? Alright. I'm going to take a little of this Parmesan cheese. Yes, I know I do extra. I'm going to get carried away with just a little bit. Alright, that's it on that. Alright guys, when this stuff gets done, I'll show you guys how it's going to look, okay? See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. This is how we doing on the quarantine lockdown. This is what we got here. We got the broccoli, we got the fried pork chop, and we got the Cracker Barrel mac and cheese. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Just stay tuned in. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And of course, that's right, hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. Tell all your friends and family to get their butt right over there to DOGG'S Kitchen. And tune in and see what we doing. Alright? And I'll see you guys next time in DOGG'S Kitchen. I'm out.